Hey, Georgia Organics Farm to School team is at Cosmos Organic Farm in Carrollton, Georgia, celebrating our October Farm to School Month theme.
Make room for legumes!
Welcome to Cosmos. John Davis started Cosmos in 2011, at first growing in East Point. At the end of 2014, he moved the operation permanently out to this property here in Carrollton. We are on about 30 acres and currently about 5 acres are in cultivation, plus a high tunnel and a small herb garden and fruit patch. Right now we have a lot growing. We have tomatoes, peppers, rainbow chard, and several different kinds of legumes.
So what are legumes?
Legumes refer to the plant which encloses its fruit inside of a seed pot. We have a couple different varieties. There's thousands of varieties, but there's a couple different families within them, which include peas, such as black-eyed peas, field peas, sweet peas, beans, such as black beans, garbanzo beans, and kidney beans, lentils, such as brown lentils, orange lentils, and green lentils, and nuts like peanuts and carob nuts. I'm nuts about the nutritional content about legumes. They're packed with protein, fiber, and lots of other positive nutritional content such as folate.
Right now in June, we have peanuts growing, soybeans, green beans, and field peas. In October, you can still be harvesting your green beans, dry beans, peanuts, and you can start planting your sweet peas, like your sugar snap peas.
So how do you plant legumes?
Well, it depends on the legume. Today we're going to plant green beans. So it's actually pretty simple to plant green beans, very accessible to everybody. So start with soil that drains well and has been amended with compost. Beans should be planted about 1 inch deep, about 3 inches apart. So I'm just going to make a hole that's about 1 inch deep, or a few holes. Drop in my seeds and just loosely cover them up. So one common pest found in this region of the United States that impacts bean plants is the Mexican bean beetle. You will notice damage on the leaves. They'll look really holey, a little discolored. They'll start looking kind of lacy. Here at Cosmos, if we have time, just pick the beetles off the plants, or we just let them do their thing. We still get beans, and then we move on.
All right, I'm ready to eat some legumes. How do we harvest them?
So it's actually very simple. Alright, so if you just gently lift the bean plant up, you can see clusters of beans hanging here.
Yep. And then I can just pull it, right?
Well, kind of. You just have to be gentle, so it's best to hold on to the stem with one hand, and then with your other hand, break the bean from the stem.
Awesome.
And that is so that you don't pull the whole plant out of the ground.
Okay.
Or break the plant.
Pretty simple.
You mean easy peasy.
And that's how you make room for legumes.